What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Trin back again with another video. Tiana, you cannot be in here. I need you to be quiet.
Cut it down just a little bit.
She just ready. Hi guys, it's your girl Trin back with another video. Today we are doing a challenge. As you can tell by the title, we're going to see who knows me best. This is my sister and this is T. And I'm a little nervous because I don't know who's going to know me. Shit, I don't even know myself really. So
damn.
I don't know, but make sure, I hope you guys enjoy this video, but make sure you like, comment, subscribe, comment down below and let me know any other videos you guys want me to do or who you would like for me to collaborate with. Alright, let's get into this video. First question. Oh.
Really?
Y'all got to smack the table so I know who, you know. Okay. Do it. Like, try to do it at the same time. Alright, she got it. Okay. Anyway, not right now. This was the practice. Alright, ready? What is my favorite color?
Blue.
Blue.
Turn that.
T gets that point. Alright.
But you got your hand there like it's a straight buzzer. Like, you can't take your hand on that table.
Because you're closer to the table.
My bad.
Alright. What is my favorite snack?
Chips.
Alright, she got it.
I was about to say ice cream.
That's my second favorite. Okay. This is a great question. Would I prefer men or women?
Man.
No. Okay. That's, I don't even know. Shit, but I guess I'll say women. Okay, let's see.
But then, can I at least get a half point for that? Because I got a half right?
She said,
let's see.
no deal.
Fuck that.
I don't even know. Who's my favorite R&B male artist?
Trey Songz?
No.
Shit. Usher. I don't know.
Usher.
Say something.
What's my favorite position?
You ready?
You
ready?
She got it first.
In the bag. Don't think about it either.
No.
I'm done.
Face down, tongue up.
Really, nigga?
What the fuck?
Is that possible?
No.
Face down, tongue up?
You didn't put an arch in it.
It's upside down.
And you know what's funny? I almost said that. I was about to say turned upside down to be funny.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying?
I'm done.
Concussion way. Anyway,
Concussion way.
Alrighty
let's
then.
see. Alright.
This shit don't say
Can we cut that fan?
Would I rather wear sneakers or heels?
Sneakers.
Hills.
Yes. Just got a point. I'd rather wear heels, but my fat ass can't walk.
Damn. So what would that be?
No, I prefer.
Sneakers.
No, I prefer.
She prefers
Flip flops.
Crocs.
Oh my god. That's funny. Okay.
We know.
Shut up. I don't know what question to ask. Okay. What is my favorite part about makeup? So like, do I rather do my lipstick? Do I rather do my eyebrows? My foundation?
Eyebrows.
Yes.
Gotta contour.
That's your face.
I need my eyebrows done.
Really?
What that?
You need yours done?
Come on, Mingly.
Her eyebrows.
I need my eyebrows.
He's talking about come on, Mingling.
$50. What is my dream car?
HRT.
It seems like that's what it's gonna be. Shit, the way I'm going.
Splitting puddles, splitting puddles.
Really, nigga?
What the fuck? He said putting puddles. It's a Dodge Charger. And I'm not lying, cause
You know they got bucket seats.
What? Damn, she don't know. What is my favorite meal to eat?
Chicken wings. That's all I ever fucking see you eat.
Mm-hmm.
Parmesan.
And chips.
And chips.
Okay. I'm gonna say this in the most childish way. What do I want to do when I grow up? Oh,
She would love to do makeup.
no. That's a hobby type. I mean, I know it's gonna come and turn into my career, but
Well, I'm confused because your ass is going already, but
that's why I say I'm gonna make it seem childish the way I said it. What do I want to do when I grow up?
work with children.
No, I want to be a psychologist.
Ain't that what they fucking work with kids?
You can, but
adult or they right.
Psychology is psychology.
I might fuck my class up.
A psychologist is somebody who fucking you go talk to.
Yeah.
Yeah, like a therapist.
Therapist and stuff, but it all deals with what's up in here.
Yeah.
I need to go see.
No.
Yes, it is.
I know that it is. I'm saying no. No.
Why?
She said no.
No.
What was my first job?
McDonald's.
You better fucking know this because you took me.
Sonic.
Sonic.
She screamed at me. Felt offended for me, like she put the words in my mouth.
What is my favorite season? Weather.
I thought she said seasoning.
Sazon adobo.
With a little bit of seasoned salt.
A little bit of garlic and onion pepper. Do it.
What'd you say?
Winter.
Fall.
Yes.
Bing, bing, bing.
What gets me fired up? Go.
Bullshit.
You gotta break that down some more, because that's anybody. Because I know. Bing, 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 ding,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
People staring at
Oh my
her.
that shit. I remember once I was in.
Do not look in her face with your face like this.
I was in the store and I walked past the mirror and I went back. I was like, and it was myself. Like I was I was really about to snap. Like, bitch, what the fuck are you looking at?
See, that's what she said.
What am I addicted to?
Dildos.
No.
She like, oh my god.
Y'all should know it is.
Makeup.
I guess I can go with that.
That's a giveaway. That's a give or take.
I guess I can go with that, but that's not what was in my brain. So
What
it
was in your brain?
Sex.
Chips.
What?
Y'all know I'm addicted to chips. I cannot stop eating chips.
So do I get further points?
No. What?
Hey Murray, you'll get them Crocs.
You like my Crocs? She's staring at my Crocs. Hey, they my hand-me-downs. She's the winner! She gonna sing something. Thank you guys for watching my video. My sister had won. How you feel?
She whack as fuck.
That's how you feel.
She mad.
She got an advantage. She done been around it for like God knows how long, how many years.
But before the game started, you never know.
You never know.
She big mad. She done left off.
Real mad.
So make sure you guys don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. She mad.
She big
want,
mad.
She
stressed.
stressed. So she wants to
Look, now she gonna take over the camera.
I don't give a fuck.
Look.
I'm going to smoke a cigarette.
Love you guys. Bye.